Besides purees, there's a lot of other finger food snacks that you can prepare for your little one. In this video, I will share with you a few healthy baby food ideas that are suitable for babies from 8 months and toddlers. Baby food need to be rich in energy and nutrients, so make sure every meal includes grains, vegetables, fruits, oil or fat, and protein. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
The first recipe is salmon floss, which can be served as toppings for rice or congee. You will need salmon, fresh milk, shallot, and ginger. Remove the skin and the bone of the salmon, then soak in milk for about 5 to 10 minutes to remove the gamey smell. Then steam the salmon with some shallots and ginger slices to boost the flavor. When it's cooked, drain and transfer to a mortar and pestle. Crush well and then transfer to a non-stick pan. Cook under very low heat and constantly stirring until the salmon is broken down into flakes. When it's nice and dry, leave to cool and transfer to an airtight container. This can be kept in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 weeks. You can also make this with mackerel instead of salmon. Add to your baby's rice or congee dishes to enhance the flavor and nutrition. Some moms ask me why it's so hard to feed their babies cooked rice, and I show them my secrets. Because cooked rice is very hard for babies to pick up, so I roll rice in roasted seaweed and cut into small bite-sized pieces like this. It's much easier for them to pick up and pop into their mouth. This way is also a lot easier to incorporate other items into their diet, like avocado, eggs, salmons, etc. Plus, this mini sushi looks so cute. Your baby's gonna ask for more. You will need some cooked rice, a large piece of roasted seaweed, salmon flakes, a small piece of omelette, and some avocado. Cut the avocado into sticks, cut the omelette into strips, add some sesame oil to the steamed rice. Mix well and spread the rice all over the roasted seaweed. Sprinkle with the salmon flakes. Add the avocado and omelette and arrange a crust. Roll it up with the help of a sushi mat. Then cut into tiny bite-sized pieces. When my babies were 8 to 9 months, I started feeding them with these mini sushis. They didn't enjoy being spoon-fed, but whenever there is sushi, they were so excited. To add more vegetables and tofu to your little one's diet, this tofu and vegetable fritters is really awesome. You can dice up all the vegetables in different colors: carrots, corn, green peas, beetroots, squash, zucchini, apple squash, etc. You also need 100 grams of tofu, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a dash of salt or vegetable stock if your kid is older than 1 year old. In a large mixing bowl, crush the tofu and combine with the rest of the diced vegetables. Add the egg, all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt or seasonings if your kid is older than 1 year old. Mix well and then heat up some oil in a pan. Scoop the tofu and vegetable mixture and add to the hot oil to fry. Use a spatula to press it out for a minute into small patties. Fry until golden brown on both sides and transfer to rest on a piece of kitchen towel to drain off the excess oil. For dessert, you can make these milk balls. They're super cute, soft and elastic. You will need 5 tablespoons of milk. You can add strawberries or chocolate, depending on the flavors that your babies enjoy. You can also use breast milk or formula to make it even more nutritious. Then you will need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and some milk powder for coating. Combine the cornstarch and milk in a saucepan. Add a little bit of oil and stir well. Then turn on the stove and keep stirring over low heat until it turns into a paste and no longer stick to the pan. Turn off the heat. Divide the paste into smaller portions, make into balls. Then roll over the milk powder to avoid sticking. Look at that! They're super soft and smooth. No baby can turn away from this. You can add more fruits into their meal by cutting into finger-sized sticks. Then peel the skin halfway through, leaving some for them to hold on to. You can serve one fruit at a time or combine different items in their food tray and let them enjoy the whole meal. One more healthy and nutritious snack is this broccoli pancake, which you can trim into cute shapes. You will need some broccoli, butter, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk powder, a tablespoon all-purpose flour, and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Finally mix the broccoli and combine in a bowl with the all-purpose flour, milk powder, and egg. Melt the butter in the pan. Then pour in the mixture and tilt the pan to spread the mixture evenly. Flip to cook both sides, then leave to cool and use cutters to cut into the cute shapes. I made this for the first time when my son was 7 months old, and he's enjoyed it so much. You can substitute the broccoli with apple or bananas. Both of my kids really love this one, so you can give it a try to see if your baby loves it too. I hope this video gives you some more ideas to make nutritious, delicious, and healthy foods for your babies. Let me know if they like it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you then next time. Bye!